Did you know that green tea originated in China over 4,000 years ago? Now that's a long time. Let's rewind the clock and take a stroll down the leafy lanes of history. Picture this: ancient China, a land of emperors and mystics, where tea was more than just a refreshing beverage. It was a symbol of harmony, a token of respect, and a key to health. And it was here, in this vibrant landscape, that green tea first sprouted its roots. The story goes that Emperor Shen Nung, a wise ruler and an ardent herbalist, was the first to discover this wonder brew. One fateful day, some tea leaves accidentally fell into his boiling water. Intrigued by the inviting aroma, he took a sip, and voila! Green tea was born. But green tea is a bit of a social butterfly, you see. It didn't stay put in China for long. Like a leaf caught in a gust of wind, it flew across borders, over mountains and oceans, and found its way into the cups of people in distant lands. Now imagine a cartoonish chase scene, like those in Tom and Jerry, but with green tea leaves playing the lead role. Countries around the globe, drawn by the allure of these leaves, are in a wild pursuit, trying to get a hold of them. Japan, Korea, and later the Western world are all chasing these tiny powerhouses of health. And who can blame them? With a taste so divine and benefits so many, who wouldn't want to join the chase? As green tea journeyed across the globe, it not only quenched thirsts, but also enriched cultures, inspired traditions, and sparked revolutions. It's been a part of royal ceremonies in Japan, a symbol of hospitality in Morocco, and a muse for artists and poets around the world. And so the chase for the amazing green tea leaves continues to this day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the Freedom Universal Love and Lifestyle channel, The Full Hot. Ever wonder what makes green tea so special? It's all in the leaf. Imagine a bustling city, not unlike a Tom and Jerry episode, with each character playing a unique role. That's what's happening inside a green tea leaf. First, meet the catechins, the tough guys of our leafy city. They are a group of antioxidants, always ready to defend the city against harmful intruders. In the world of tea, green tea leaves have the highest concentration of these brave catechins, making them the superhero of teas. Next up, we have the amino acids, particularly one called theanine. Think of theanine as the city's therapist, promoting calm and relaxation among its inhabitants. When you sip your green tea, it's theanine that gives you that soothing, stress-busting effect. Don't forget the hard-working enzymes. They are builders and repairers of the city. When a green tea leaf is plucked and left to wither and roll, these enzyme guys get to work, transforming the leaf and creating that distinct green tea flavor we all know and love. But what makes green tea leaves different from others, like black or oolong tea leaves? It's all about how our leafy city is governed. For green tea, the leaf is quickly heated after picking. This process, known as steaming or pan-firing, puts a stop to the enzyme's work, preserving the leaf's green color and delicate flavor. In contrast, black and oolong teas are fully oxidized, letting the enzymes transform leaf, leading to a darker color and bolder flavors. So you see, it's like the difference between a bustling 24-hour city and a peaceful countryside town. So each leaf is a world of its own, brewing with qualities that make green tea a superstar. Just like in any city, every character, from the catechins to the amino acids to the enzymes, plays a vital role in making green tea the health-boosting, taste-bud-pleasing, and soul-soothing beverage that it is. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the Freedom Universal Love and Lifestyle channel, The Full Hot. Now, let's dive into the art of brewing the perfect cup of green tea. Imagine you're a master chef and your kitchen is your stage. The key ingredient? Green tea leaves. But they're not just any leaves, they're the star of the show. The perfect cup of green tea starts with water heated to just the right temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right, like Goldilocks porridge. We're talking about a cozy 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, and timing is crucial. Steep the tea leaves for about 1 to 3 minutes. Any longer and you might end up with a bitter brew. Picture Tom eager but clumsy, forgetting the time and over-steeping the tea. We don't want that, do we? It's all about patience and precision. Just like baking a cake or painting a masterpiece, it takes time to get it just right. Remember, brewing green tea is an art, not a race. So, what does green tea actually taste like? Well, imagine Tom, our lovable cartoon cat, chasing Jerry, the ever-elusive mouse, through a lush garden of fresh, dew-kissed leaves. That's the initial burst of green tea, vibrant, energetic, and a little grassy. As Tom tumbles into a clear, sparkling stream, you'll notice the tea's subtle aquatic undertones, a gentle hint of the serene and the refreshing. Then, just as Jerry outsmarts Tom with a clever grimace, there's a surprising twist in the taste, a delicate bitterness, like a playful prank, that makes you sit up and take notice. Finally, imagine Tom and Jerry, exhausted from their antics, sitting together to enjoy the sunset. That's the soothing, slightly sweet aftertaste of green tea, a peaceful conclusion to a lively adventure. So whether you're a fan of the chase or the quiet moments after, there's something for everyone in a cup of green tea. Just like our favorite cartoon characters, green tea has a taste that's hard to forget. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the Freedom Universal Love and Lifestyle channel, The Full Hot. Now here's the real kicker. Green tea isn't just tasty, it's also super healthy. Imagine, if you will, a world where superheroes exist. But these aren't your typical cape-wearing, super strength-wielding heroes. No, these heroes are smaller, more subtle, and they're found in your cup of green tea. First, let's meet our first superhero, Antioxidant Man. He's got a slick green suit, and he's packed with powers. Antioxidants, like those found in green tea, have the incredible ability to fight off free radicals. These pesky villains cause damage to our body's cells, and over time, they can lead to a number of health problems. But fear not, because Antioxidant Man is here to save the day, zapping those free radicals away with his antioxidant powers. Next up, we have the dynamic duo, Weight Loss Woman and Metabolism Man. They're a power-packed pair who can help you maintain a healthy weight. Green tea has been shown to boost the metabolic rate in the short term, meaning that it can help our bodies burn more calories. Plus, it can also help reduce body fat, especially in the abdominal area. So, with Weight Loss Woman and Metabolism Man on your side, you've got a super team helping you stay fit and healthy. Finally, let's not forget about Heart Health Hero. This superhero is all about keeping our hearts strong and healthy. Studies have shown that green tea can improve some of the main risk factors for heart diseases. It can lower total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, and it can also prevent the oxidation of LDL particles, which is a key factor in heart disease. With Heart Health Hero in your cup, you're taking a big step towards a healthier heart. But it's not just about these health superheroes. Green tea also contains bioactive compounds that can help improve brain function, reduce bad breath, prevent type 2 diabetes, and even lower the risk of cancer. It's like having an entire team of superheroes, all in one cup of tea. So next time you're brewing a cup of green tea, remember that you're not just making a delicious drink. You're also calling upon a team of superheroes ready to swoop in and help keep your body healthy. From Antioxidant Man to Weight Loss Woman and Metabolism Man to Heart Health Hero and all the other health heroes found in green tea, you've got an all-star team on your side. So, green tea isn't just a beverage, it's a health hero in a teacup. So, what have we learned today about our beloved green tea? Let's take a quick journey back through time and revisit the highlights. Just like a fun-filled quiz, but don't worry, no marks will be deducted for wrong answers. We started in the verdant tea gardens where the story of green tea begins. Do you remember? It's not just any tea, it's a special kind that originated from China thousands of years ago. It's true, green tea has been around longer than the Great Wall. And what about the magical transformation that these simple leaves undergo? Packed with natural goodness, these leaves are steamed or pan-fired to stop the oxidation process. This is what gives green tea its unique color and distinct flavor. It's like a little green leafy superhero, isn't it? Now think about the brewing process, almost like a ritual, a dance of the leaves. Remember, it's not about boiling the water to the highest degree, but about finding the perfect temperature that lets the tea leaves unfurl and release their flavor. It's a beautiful ballet that happens right in your teacup. Speaking of flavor, can you recall the taste of green tea? It's not just one note, it's a symphony. It can be grassy, sweet, floral, or even slightly bitter. It's a taste adventure that takes you on a journey with every sip. And let's not forget the star of the show, the health benefits of green tea. It's like a treasure trove of health in a cup. From being packed with antioxidants to boosting your metabolism, improving brain function, and even helping in weight loss, green tea is like the friend who always looks out for you. So how did you do in our little quiz? Did Tom get all the answers right, or did have a field day teasing him? Regardless of the score, the key takeaway is that green tea is more than just a beverage. It's a tradition, a health booster, and a tasteful delight. Whether you're the kind of person who enjoys a cup of green tea in the morning to kickstart day, or someone who loves a warm cuppa to unwind in the evening, green tea is there for you, offering its myriad of benefits in every sip. So the next time you hold a cup of green tea, remember, you're not just holding a drink. You're holding piece of history, a wealth of health benefits, and a moment of peace in your hands. So, whether you're a tea enthusiast or just someone looking for a healthy drink, remember, a cup of green tea a day keeps the doctor away. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share the Freedom Universal Love and Lifestyle channel, The Full Hot.